What's up, guys? We're back here. I'm here with Fro. What's up, Fro? And today we're working on his baby, his daily, the TL. What year is it? 09? 07?
No, 05.
05?
Yeah, it's even older, man. 15-year-old car, man.
Perfect. I remember when I got my Acura, it was 15 years old.
Yeah.
Now it's 30.
Yeah, apparently we don't like new shit.
Nah, we don't like new shit.
Nah, the only problem that pisses me off about this car is it was the year before they decided to give you the aux jack, so I got to tape the aux jack.
Oh, don't we all, dude? Yeah, we got the same thing. I love this car. It's the 20s.
Well, styling-wise, man,
Bulk.
for a 15-year-old car, it still fucking looks good.
I'll show some suspension. Fro's got all kinds of control arms, upper control arms, and shit.
That's really all I got down is suspension and wheel.
Then you got a strut bar. But it's the daily, and you got a cold air intake. Yeah, it does. It's actually a cold air too. Like, it's not just a short ram, as they call them. So yeah, guys, we're doing this. AC compressor and the TL. Just got rid of the old shit that was in there. He'd already pulled it out and swapped it, thinking that might help it, but it didn't. So it's been hot, guys. So I apologize. I haven't been working on the car.
Global warming, man.
Fuck.
For real.
Just so you know, guys, I'm ready to just trace out the template. I already got the template. I just got to trace out, grind out, cut out, and then Fro's gonna come over and help me rivet those bad boys in, rib nut them in. But don't worry, the car's still working. It's still in gear. We're still doing things to it. So we're just gonna start pulling apart this car. Alright, so we already pulled off the cap and drained what. That shit's still making noise.
Yeah, it'll make a little bit.
So we'll take off the shroud. We're gonna see if we can get around it. We've seen guys do it without taking off the radiator, but we're thinking we're just gonna pull the radiator out because it's below the alternator, power steering, then AC condenser. So I don't know. We'll get to it, guys. We'll start pulling apart the radiator. So we got the shroud off. I popped this open daringly. So we're ready to drain that so we can pull this out. I already popped the clip off. It's just a harness clip on the other side over there. Took off these two little mounts. What's up?
No, there's actually a perfect hole here to drain it without taking this off.
Did you already take it off?
No.
Alright, cool. So we don't need it then. Alright, so with this bad boy, put it right there. You're gonna push it towards the back of the vehicle, lefty-loosey, right? And that's gonna pull back that little tensioner, allowed us to pull this belt off, okay? Because we're gonna need to get to that bottom piece down there that's wrapped around it. So Bro's down there right now, getting ready to drain it. And there's a little plug in there. I'll show you guys. There it is. That little plug right in the middle. Unscrew that, we're gonna drain it all out, pull the radiator out. Alright guys, I apologize for not filming, but we just started working. So you get down there, there's 4 bolts to hold it in against there. They're 12s. And I'll show you where they are. They mount directly into here. That's what you're looking at from the back side. Actually, that's how you're looking at it. Those 4 bolts come out like that. Depending on oh, there's oil coming out of there? Supposedly, this is the biggest issue, guys, that a lot of people strip these little nuts off, so you got to be careful. I don't know what size you are. Somebody said it was like 7 3/4, but I don't believe that.
So I just put on a 5.5 and it fit nicely. I want to look at C5.
Okay.
6 is too big.
You got to clean them maybe a little better. Try the clean one.
Great.
And maybe use like the impact. There you go.
5.5.
5.5, guys, just so you know. The dude we seen on the internet stripped the shit.
That's awesome. I've never got to use my 5.5 ever.
Yeah, right? I've never seen it used. So the cool thing is it comes with capped ends with new washers so the thread doesn't get dirty. And we thought we were going to have to reuse the plug, but the came with the new plug. I went ahead and yanked it off just in case, because this is a Honda one, I feel like. So I told Fran I'm not going to throw it away unless we get this thing running for sure. So guys, fun times. All right, so it's just a lot of 4 bolts put back in. Each one of these has a little bolt, a little nut to screw back in. We replaced the washers.
Oiled up the gaskets.
Oiled them up and replaced it. Did that bad boy. 4 bolts, all 12s. Push the bad boy in, and we used the big 14 bad boy breaker bar to yank back on that.
That's
bolt
a tensioning
right there.
bolt right here.
Yeah.
Right next to the mount.
And then we just wrapped it up over the top. Now we got the plug in, the harness plug. We just got to plug in the radiator.
Refill the radiator.
And then test start this bitch.
Yeah, I don't know how long we...
And we need to fill it.
Yeah. Good fill. We'll fill it with the rest of that one that we have for
We got shit, dude. We got that. We got
water.
3 other ones over there.
That'll be more than enough.
And alright, so this is like an unnecessary step, but I like to do it. Whenever you got a radiator out, clean it off. I went ahead and put some degreaser on this bad boy and just hose off any extra dust and shit. He hit a bird, so there's like all kinds of feathers on this damn thing. This will help it breathe better, right? Just try to keep the vents clean. Alright guys, so we topped it all off. Basically plug here, plug over there, and another one down in here, a little harness plug. These 3, those 2 little brackets. And then you dig onto this right here, that bolt. Push it this direction while you pry that belt off. Then we took out the radiator, which had the 2 hoses. Again, with those clips, we were able to pull it straight out. Once we disconnected the hoses, we drained it. And then on that alternator, it has just those 4 bolts holding it in against the wall. And we just went through the bottom and took off the fan shroud, the shroud. Fro's got the bolts right here. Now what we're gonna do is, because we pulled it out, some people pulled it out without pulling the radiator out, going through the bottom, which seems like a big pain in the ass, but we just pulled it out. Yeah, I think it would have been a bigger pain in the ass to just deal with the lack of space than it was just to take the extra steps to drain it out. And it's not such a bad idea to flush your coolant every once in a while, which he hasn't done. So we just used a Honda Blue and ran out, so we got some more. Now we just got to burp the coolant. We went to a couple of different places, O'Reilly's, Napa, couldn't find it. So we topped it all off. Gonna start the car, let it get to operating temperature, let the thermostat crack open. Hopefully it'll bleed some of that through. We'll top it off slightly, take it for a test drive. But now we got to fill it Freon or whatever the hell it's called, 134A. Yeah, boy. So you can get the tool with the bottles, and I guess it's like $50, but Fro was able to get this and the 2 cans, and I guess the 1 can with the tool is like 12 ounce. They're 18 ounces. These cans are 12 ounces each, so $40, 2 cans, and we keep the tool. The other one you got to return it. It costs $50, and we get more Freon. So we might even dump some of the extra into my Lexus. So we'll get 6 more ounces of Freon out of it, and we keep the tool. Whew, it's hot. So shrouds on, all the shrouds are on. Reservoir, I kept squeezing on the hoses, overflowed into the overflow, so we took out the overflow and emptied it out. So we can start it, let the coolant drop.
We want to drop the car first?
We're going to drop the car first.
It's only gonna take 1 can.
I see people take less.
But we totally evacuated it.
Yeah. That or we didn't do it right. And it's on max air. What does it go full to, like?
Just anywhere in the green.
Anywhere in the green, huh?
Yeah. I mean, it feels pretty
Test
low.
it compared to that one. This still feels like there's shit in there. Oh, it's definitely heavier though. That's definitely heavier. But I can feel what feels like a quarter to a third of a bottle still in here. Maybe that'll fill it to a higher pressure, you know? Did it say upside down or to shake it or anything?
I don't remember. It says, yeah, shake from 12 to 3. So I think it's upside down, so 12 to 3. Alright?
Do not overcharge, do not vent. Yeah. 12 to 3, is that 12 to 3? Like this?
Yeah.
Like 12 is straight up.
12 to 3?
Isn't, this would be 6. 6, I'm thinking 6
so
to...
are you saying the
I'm
can
saying,
needs
I'm
to be
saying
12?
12 to 3, is that what they're saying with the shake? I'm asking.
No, that's
12
what
being straight up?
I'm asking also.
I'm thinking 12 is up. I'm thinking this would be 6.
Why would that be 6 and
Because
not
it's
this 6?
straight down.
Well, this is at the bottom,
But-
where 6 is.
But I would think that when you look at a clock, it matches the bottle being straight up. I don't know. Up
Yeah.
meaning up is 12, right?
I mean, it's going up, though. No. I don't know. It's a legitimate question. I don't know the answer.
No, I don't fucking know either.
Yeah. Whether we're supposed to shake here.
That wasn't in the YouTube.
There.
That wasn't in the YouTube video
Well,
I watched.
I can only submit so much on that shit.
And this shit's not dropping, bro. Did it crack open yet? I think I heard the fan turn on. Woo! It's cold in here. Yeah. Wow. It says 86 outside. Maybe in my garage.
In the garage, because my temperature thing's right.
Dude,
Okay.
86 in San Diego is like fucking hot over here. I don't know how these guys do it in Arizona, dude. Dude, deadbeat over there fucking at 110 in his garage at like 9 o'clock.
California got the hottest record recorded, 130.
In Death Valley, yeah. We're in East County, San Diego. Fro lives in by the beach. Like literally, he can walk 100 yards to the beach area.
Yeah, babe.
To the bay. Still, ocean.
Mile to the beach, block to the bay.
Must be rough. Obviously, 10 to 15 degrees cooler every day at his house. But the garage is here.
I'd go 12 to 16.
Yeah. It's at least 10, 15 on a good day.
But you know.
Alright, always going to be a mess left behind, guys. But we're going for a drive right now. I see.
I was just going to drive up and down and see if I can get the rest of the liquid off.
Alright. Alright, car is warmed up. No leaks. AC's blowing cold as shit. I'm happy for Fro. He's needed this. How long has it been? A year? Oh, I gotta bring my girl in. Her AC was pumping that cold ass air, so I didn't even try to charge her. And 86 feels like 96 or 106. So I think we're gonna cut the video short here, guys. So it's getting cooler in the next couple days. I'm doing the door carts, promise. Until now, I just haven't had the time or the freaking heat. It's been kicking my ass. So the cooler weather's coming. Car's gonna get more time done, more projects done. So that's it for us. Fro, we're out. All right, Fro's gone.
Peace!
We'll see you guys next time.